In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Microsoft Teams notifications. If you've been missing messages, updates, or activity alerts in Teams, this quick setting change can help you stay on top of what matters. We'll walk through where to find the notification controls and how to make sure notifications are enabled. To begin, go to Microsoft Teams and make sure you're on the main app screen. This can be in your browser or desktop app, depending on how you normally use Teams. Once you're in, take a moment to look at the top right corner of the screen, because that's where the settings menu is located. Next, click on the three dots in the top right corner. This opens a menu with additional options for your account and app preferences. If you're not used to changing settings in Teams, this is the main place where a lot of personalization and account controls can be found. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the settings panel where you can manage different parts of your Teams experience, such as appearance, privacy, and notifications. If the panel takes a second to load, that's normal, especially if you are using Teams in a web browser. Once you're in Settings, click on Notifications and Activity. This section is where Teams lets you control how and when you receive alerts. It's a useful area to know about, especially if you want to stay informed without constantly checking the app manually. Now, look for the option labeled Mute All Notifications. If this setting is turned on, Teams will suppress your alerts, which can make it seem like notifications aren't working at all. To turn notifications back on, toggle off Mute All Notifications. As soon as that setting is disabled, Teams should begin allowing notifications again based on your current preferences. That's all you need to do to turn Microsoft Teams notifications back on. If you still don't receive alerts after this, it may be worth checking your device or browser notification permissions separately, since Teams also depends on those system-level settings to deliver pop-ups and sounds properly. With notifications enabled, you'll be better able to catch important chats, mentions, and updates in real time. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to turn on Microsoft Teams notifications.